It's time. It's time to decorate our Christmas tree. Stay with me to the end because I'm pretty sure that you will love my idea. I see Santa around here. I have to behave because I want presents this year. So let's get started. This is all the stuff that I got to decorate this year. It's gonna be a candy theme. These are from Hobby Lobby. All these 6 shoes. Even this beautiful ribbon. This one, the pink one, is from At Home. I have stuff from Dollar General, from Walmart. This is from At Home, and this part here is from At Home. Dollar General. These are from Walmart and At Home. And these are DIYs that I did. So I have videos about that. I just love how this turned out so I can personalize my Christmas tree. And the floor, I have white because I'm gonna make a combination with an awesome idea that I have. This set of 4 ornaments are from Walmart, $5, and I just make 3. I just put 3 together. This is my Christmas tree. It is from Walmart. It is in a budget. I just pay, I think it was like 60 or 70 bucks for it. I purchased it about 2 years ago. I want to add more lights to my Christmas tree, so I purchased this ring with 2 modes of lights on Amazon. I put the Christmas balls in a diagonal position. I just decorate the half of my Christmas tree. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Continue watching because the best is yet to come. I'm going to make some ribbons with this beautiful lace that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. It is easy, just pinch and twist. This is the hero of my Christmas tree this year. I always want to have a unique piece. I have a tutorial video of this huge ice cream cone. I will leave the link if you want to make one. I also made some beautiful lollipops. I have a tutorial video in case you want to make them for any occasion. The letter J represents my grandchild, so I put it on top of the ball ornament that I received with that emotional news. What do you think of this? I'm already in love with it. I'm so sorry that I put my decoration in top of my tree. I was desperate to see how it looks. And I was waiting for some, where I can find it. Okay, let me get it. I was waiting for this decoration from Temu, and I just said, I'm just gonna put what I have right now on hand. So I put my cotton candies that I DIY here in my channel, and I did a pretty ribbon on the top and some white decoration that I already have. So I'm gonna integrate some of this in the top right now. I got this two different. Yoo-hoo! I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look how beautiful it looks on the top of my Christmas tree. Okay, so I'm gonna make a ribbon now to this part over here, but I think they're missing a ribbon. Also, I got this ball ornaments. I put one here, so I have two more groups to give a little sparkling with the balls. I got these ones that I make a package of 3 because I'm gonna put some of them here in this corner on the back and here on the back because from the middle we can see them. I buy this huge packet, $15.99 at Hobby Lobby, but it was 50% off. So I pay like $8 for it. So I'm gonna fill some spaces that you see, and then I think then we're gonna put the tree skirt. I have to came back to the white space because I want to integrate the Santa sleds right here in this corner. And also I want to add some white ribbons. Yes, now it looks so awesome. It just needs those ribbons and the Santa sled. Oh my God, look at that beauty. Oh, I'm so excited and happy of the results. Look. Candy on the top with the huge ice cream cone that I DIY and white on the bottom. Beautiful, beautiful. Put the tree skirts, so I think I'm gonna put only this, the nativity scene, because this is the reason of Christmas, and I have so many decorations that I think this is the only one that I need on the bottom of the tree. This turns up and it also has music. I got this about I think 2 years ago in Big Lots.